Hi, so in this topic we will discuss how this IoT or Internet of Things this Internet of Things evolved, Um, uh, what is actually, the driving factor behind Internet of Things uh, is, for example, if people had, it was there were like wireless network protocols people were using before, for example, in the mobile phones, and there were some device to device communication going on. For example, you could send data from your phone to the computer, and there was through Bluetooth, for example, or you can have a Wi-Fi communication, or you have any client-server communication between any devices. So I mean, these things were actually there. Everything was there actually. So how we came to IoT, like we just combine, for example, let's say these are some sensors, let's say. So we just combined for these are some sensors, say with communication abilities. You got sensors with you can say with plus with some uh, wireless network. Sensor with some wireless network, network. So these were some sensor with some wireless networks, and then let's say we have here a kind of let's say any gateway, or you have let's say kind of we can use the term gateway. This is called a gateway actually, which is in between, and this is our cloud or any web interface. You can say we can, instead of cloud, we can use the term cloud because that is normally used, or CLOUD. Cloud is what? Cloud is actually a web interface, with the storage and different applications and all those things. We have a web interface here. So what happens that we collect the information using these sensor devices. This information is sent to the gateway through the these wireless network protocols, and then from here we send the data is then filtered. There's some filtering of data going on here, and then through this we send the data through this to the cloud, again using the uh, wireless network protocols. So these things are already, we have already all these things there. We just combine them in such a form so that we form an IoT system. What is IoT system actually doing? So it is collecting the data from some devices anywhere. They can be near devices in the kind of in our home, or some far off devices in the kind of in the examples of smart farming, for example. And we are collecting this data, we are sending this data to a device with a high, you can say, computation power, or more storage, just so which is this gateway. And then this gateway is then filtering the data, doing certain processing, and then sending the right information to the cloud. And the cloud is, it's just a web page on a computer. There's a this is a PC, and there is a web page, and www dot something, and you show the data in the form, any form of tables, or any form that is. So with the help of this data you make certain decisions, and then you can um, like kind of make better decisions for your business. Or you can have, for example, if this is some kind of a customer location, or some kind of a farming location, you can make better decisions for the farm or for any other thing. So that's what so this is how IoT actually evolved. So we use some we use some microelectronic mechanical systems, or some electronic devices, and we use them with the wireless networks, with these wireless networks, and then we combine them with some presentation, or we combine them with some computational, or storage power, which was actually all available. You have this gateway, can be any computer, or it can be your smartphone, or it can be any gateway, any small computer like Raspberry Pi or something, that is storing the data, and processing the data and sending the information to the web. That's it. That's what IoT is.